Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're going to do some mystery challenges. I don't know if I should do practitioner or apprentice. Let's try a little with practitioner. Maybe we can switch back if we have too much trouble. All right, let's do it. Probably going to do a few of these, a few days of this mystery challenges. All right, so we have a shop. We have a submit solution button. I don't know if that's needed. Let's see if we can log in. We cannot log in. Let's see. Where's my cookie editor? I want to pin this. How do I? Where is this? Oh, there it is. My bad. Sorry. Let's see what we've got for cookie. We've got a tracking ID. So is this one of the SQL injection ones? All right. Let's try this. Let's go here and go proxy. Let's look through a few of the requests. If we don't see anything obvious, we'll start with SQL injection. So here's where we get the session and the tracking ID. I really think it is because of that tracking ID. Let's start a scan on this. We'll do it on one that has a tracking ID. So I'm going to do active scan on just that one. Make sure it's going. While we're at it, let me do here, do extensions. I want to do a request smuggler and might as well run param miner too. Extensions, param miner, guess params, guess everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, cool. I'm switching back to the light mode. I don't display light. Yeah, I like this better. Okay, we haven't found anything yet. Let's go back to HTTP history and start examining some of this stuff. Mystery object shop, robots, SVG. So no. Did we see any scripts in here? An objective. Nothing there. Check this post. We do need a CSRF. How did these get issued? Secure HTTP only. Let's check a product. Okay. I did not see anything. This hasn't come back yet. So let's start 48 requests, 5 hours. Let's hope that it is not. Well, let's send to repeater. And let's start doing some SQL injection testing on the tracking ID. So I'm going to do a single quote. Awesome. Get a 500. Let's do 2 single quotes. 200. So confirmed SQL injection. We can stop this scan, actually. I don't need it. All right. Let's send this. We already have it in repeater. Let's do union select null. And then we'll do space dash dash. No, we want dash dash space dash. Union select null. 500. What was the issue? Internal server error. So can we not do union select? Union select. Yep, must not be able to. Oh, wait, no. Sorry. That's not definitive yet. We could do, let's do like order by. 1. And do I need to URL encode this? Probably not. Okay. That worked. Only 1? Order by 1 was returned. Oofed. Okay. But why didn't union select null work? All right, well, it's going to be SQL injection, right? Let's do or 1. Let's try to get our true false. I don't think I have to. Or 1 equals 1. 1 equals 2. That didn't want. Let's do and. Nope. Well, geez Louise. Secret input header. Origin. Let's look at some of our SQL injection. This will be in courses, Web Security Academy, SQL injection. ls-la. So conditional errors. That looks right. What did we send here? Checking. What did we end up requests? We did this. We know it's true if we got a 200 and self format length query. So we want a request outer query. Oh, this is freaking Oracle. wonder if that's why the it aired out when we did from dual. Union select null from dual. We got a 200. It is Oracle. Dang. 500. Okay. So I think I nailed I think it is this script or this one. So we need to select password from users where username equals administrator. Get response string. Well, let's run this script, I guess. Where's... Oh, because it's in SQL. Well, no, let's do it manually. All right. So this is the query. Union select. We want this to not return anything. We should still get a 200. And we don't get any, so it's blind, but it's Boolean based. So we can tell a true statement is select. Let's try this. Oh, whoops. I deleted the wrong word. True statement is a 200. Select 1 equals 1 from dual. Now, select, union select. We did it like this with the slash. Get response string. We did pipe. Let's try that. Do we want union select? Or just pipe? That is that concatenates. Select 1 equals 1 from dual. I want to get a true false. Select case when. I guess we can do like this whole thing. There we go. What did I end up copying? I need the bars here. Select case when. Select. Here's our what we want to get. Select 1 equals 1 from dual, or equals length. Copy. This is what we have here. Delete to there. All right. So we've got select case when. Let's do select one from dual. From dual equals, here we're going to put 1. Then else null. So it's going to 500 unless. So that's going to cause an error. It's going to error unless it's true. Unless it's false. No. This is wrong. But is it Oracle? Concatenate. Select A from dual. I expect that to work if it's Oracle. It doesn't. Let's go P Chrome to the SQL cheat sheet. That's the one. Oracle has bars. How sure am I that it was Oracle? I don't know why this is getting 500. So imagine the query. Let's do Kate. It's probably something like select user from users where tracking ID equals tracking ID. Maybe something like that, right? So if it looks like that, and we inject, we're tracking ID, if we concatenate a tracking ID that doesn't exist with another letter, that should be just fine. So I don't know why it's getting a 500 here. All right, let's start over. How do we, this will work, right, if we do this. We won't get a 500. Yeah, even though we don't get any results. We never checked if the 500 printed. Dang it, this has too much crap in it. The 500 tells us why. Does not. So it is blind. Okay. We know it's blind. Let's go back to repeater. So now we need to let's do this. Pipe select A from dual. So if this 200s, then we've got Oracle, right? 200. If we delete the from dual and get a 500, we definitely got Oracle. We definitely have Oracle from dual. It's blind Oracle. It's got to be this. This script has got to be the one that we wrote to solve the lab. And we did it with an error-based. So we took, let's run this. So self.tracking. Or select case win, copy. What did I always hate how I can't remember what I copied. Okay, select case win. We're going to select substring. We're going to try this, but really what we're going to do is confirm the vulnerability with true false. Let me add a dash there just so I don't forget. And I'm going to exit this so we have more room. Okay. Select case win equals char. So right here, a substring a index 1 a b c. So it's selecting the substring from ABC, first character, only one character from dual. It's checking that if that equals A, then it should 500. Else null, concatenates null. So it should 200 if it's false. If it's true, it should 500, right? So let's send this. First one should be true. Second one should be false. And we've got 500 for both, which is very frustrating. Select substring equals char A. Oh, this char needs to be a freaking number, or I need to remove the char altogether. 100. And we got 500. Select case win, select substring, ABC from dual equals oh my gosh, that was it. Okay, see how we get a 200 when it is false and a 500 when it's true? So A substring of ABC 1 1, we get a 500. If I go B, we get a 200 because it's false. But then if I go the index, change the index to the second character, we get a 500, meaning true, and a 200 meaning false. 500 true, 200 false. Right? Sweet. All right. We've got a way to tell true and false. Now, let's start grabbing the administrator password, which we are going to do with this query. And I'm going to put it right here. Select substring, select password from users, where username is administrator. We're going to check the first character. We're going to check that against A. This works. We're waiting for a 500. And the reason why we're waiting for 500 is because right here we have, so if this is true, if the first character of the query substring equals A, then we're going to do 2char division by 0, which 500s. If it's false, then we're going to just return null so we don't error. So we're purposely causing an error to be able to get, a clue as to whether the statement was true or false. True meaning we get a 500, false meaning we get a 200. So this A is false, B false. Let's send this to intruder now. And we are going to clear, add here, payloads, simple list. Does it have A to Z? Perfect. Payload processing, we don't need that. We want grep extract. We want to, these settings can be used to flag. I want to flag any, 500 will be easy enough to tell. So let's start this attack. Did I not start it? There. Why can't I make this bigger? Oh, that's why. Pressing the wrong key. All right, so we just got to wait until hopefully one of these kicks back a 500. And then we've got the first character. This is why a script comes in way handy. But we're doing this. Oh, suck. Is it? How difficult did they make this? Add from list. A to Z. 0 to 9. Let's hope this comes back with a freaking 500. Otherwise, it's back to the drawing board. But I think we have it right. I think we found what it is. I mean, I think we have the right way to solve this one. Or at least that we can solve it with this, with the way we're trying. Oh, there we go. Woo. So it's 1. So let's go. How am I going to save this? I'm going to go my account and I'm going to log in administrator 1 because we know the first character. So that saves it for us. Now, do you want to save this tag? Nope. We're going to discard it. We're going to go to positions and we're going to change this. So we want this to 2, or this we can add here 1. Let's try a different attack. Single set of payloads. No, multiple payload sets. Yeah. All first payload from each cluster promise. There's a different set. Yes. Okay, we're going to do this cluster bomb. And payloads. 1 is going to be a simple list. It's going to be clear. No, we're going to do numbers. Whoops. Numbers. 1 to, it's probably something like 20. Step by 1. All right. And then, so this will be, just so I'm clear, this is going to be what slice of the response string we're going to check against in this one. So if the response string is 20 characters long, I want this to be a max of 20. And then it's going to count up. So it's going to do 1 and then up to 20. So let's do over here, payloads. We're going to check 2. 2 is going to be a simple list. We're going to add lowercase, uppercase, and numbers. We really should flag. So settings, exclude HTTP headers. We want, what does it look like when we do a 500? There we go. Let's just flag this. Copy, intruder, grep match, sentence and flag. We're going to clear this. Yes. We're going to add this. Simple string. Perfect. That's fine. All right. Let's start the attack. See how this goes. So it's checking if the first character is A in all 20. Oh, 10th character is A. And it starts at 1. Yeah. So let me do Kate. Start writing this down. New file. Let me move this under. So we know the first character. I forgot what it was. But I did send it through proxy here. First one. So that's first character, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eight, 9, 10 is the letter A. Make sure we don't have any more. So this is going to take a minute. I wonder if my script still works. Let's try my script also. How do we do this? Oh, whoops. So we want Python. This was conditional errors. So the reason I don't know if it works is because when I'm writing them, like the ones, copy link, that I write first sometimes fail because I don't go back and update them. It's true. Takes, yeah, see, like this. I refactored the code, but then didn't update the ones before. So let's see. Should we fix it? Might as well. I mean, what else are we going to do while the thing works? So on the right screen, I want to be able to run it. So I'm going to copy this, paste that here. We'll just run it. And then on the left, I'm going to edit. And the problem seems to be that is true takes 2 arguments, but 3 were given. Is true. Oh, interesting. On line 60. Line 60 in, I think I need SQL I. Yeah, right here. So later on, when we started doing time-based, I added this duration. And in this one, I don't have that. So I need to correct that. Let me go duration. That should fix that error. Seems to be working. Yep, definitely is working. Let's see how fast it is compared to Intruder. So the length is 20. We could fill in a few more of these characters. This one's going way fast. Look at that. And this one's going 1. And that one's going like blazing. So it's going to be much faster. Cool. Well, all right. So let's assume everything works and we solve this. Oh, did we just solve it? Lab has solved. Ha. All right. we could have solved it without the script, right? Just it would have been super slow. Let's check the objective. Make sure we got that right. Or not. Looks like we can't. Dang. All right, cool. Well, that one's a pretty crazy one to start with. A blind oracle Boolean based SQL injection. Are you kidding me? That's what we're gonna start with. All right. The only reason I knew was because of the tracking ID. That's gonna be hard to figure out when it's not obvious, or I don't remember that clue. Exploit server. Cool. Let's start searching stuff. Just because I want to see. Okay. Home. It does have that submit or exploit server, so it makes me want to think JavaScript or XSS. But I probably always want to think XSS because of how much there is. Hey, we've got our own account. Okay, so I think we've done everything, right? We viewed the post. We've commented. I think we've done everything. Ooh, JWTs. Interesting. Okay. Let's decode this. I've got, yeah, might as well just send that to here. Oh, I can just go like that. Well, dang, that's not easy to read. Let's move this back to dark. Okay. I want this to be somehow like full screen or something. Not that much. Not that high. Where the heck is... It's got to be right there. Okay. And let's do like that. Okay. So we've got RS-256. Ooh. Points we get wiener. Dang. RS-256. Let's look at our attacks. Our JWT attacks. Xmind. Not this one. Oh, I better save this. I don't think I finished it. Save. Open. I want visit file. What did I say? JWT. Is it, do I not have a JWT one? That is really, really dumb. All right. Well, I don't have one. So with RS-256, we could try two things, right? Algorithm confusion. We could try, let's close this, clear, and clear. We could try the none attack. What does this do? This button does nothing. And I still don't know how to use this tool. Request original. Oh, okay. Raw. Send to extensions. How do I get it in JWT editor keys? New. Whatever. Where was I? Repeater. Why doesn't attack work? Make that gone. Peter. No. Proxy. JSON web token. Why doesn't this button work? Copy. New symmetric key. Do we want to try JWT confusion? No, because that is one of them is a or algnun. Let's try that. So let's go decoder. Boom. Decode as base 64, and we'll do text. So we want kid ag none, and there was a special format for none that I have to remember. What was it? CD JWT. So we do have algorithm confusion. This one is the expert one, so it could be this. But it could also be, let's look at a few of these. Bam. Flawed signature val. So this does this. All this does is change the body and doesn't include an updated signature. Doesn't include a signature at all. We could try that. So we want port figure sub administrator. We can kill off all of this. So it's just like that. It doesn't. I want to change this back to RS-256. And then I want to encode as, oh, I can't base 64. Let me, crap. JWT editor keys. All right. What's an extension where I can easily add, cancel, yes, I'm sure, perhaps store JWT editor. Oh, all right, let's try this one. And it's probably just that I don't know how to use the other one. Stalling. Why? Okay. Let's go proxy. Extensions. Where's JWT? This is very frustrating. Extension. All I want is a simple editor. Oh, it looks like... What? Why didn't it install? Failed to verify. I think JWT editor would be the right one. But that just has keys. And why? Okay, I'm going to shut down burp. Crap. There, whatever. I'm going to do this manually. Okay, IPython. Too many tools, not doing what I want. Let's take this, copy, go here. So orig JWT equals this. We're gonna do encoded head and encoded body sig equals orig JWT dot split on periods coded head. Make sure. All right, cool. Now we're gonna base 64 decode them. So I'm gonna do head equals. Oh, I need to import from import base 64. Not just that. Yeah, right. All right. Base 64 dot B64 decode. Encoded head dot encode dot decode. This is going to be head equals. And the one thing I want to do is right here, I want to add plus equal. Okay, that should work. Head did. We're going to do the same thing but with the body. If I was smart, I would just create a function, but I am body. Okay, cool. There's the body. Let's create a quick function to encode. So def encode part. We want to encode it and return it, right? So return base 64.b64 encode. We want to encode the part. Encode should not, it'll return decode dot rstrip equals. I think that's right. Let's try it. So head, so encode part head. Dang it, bytes like object is required, not a string. encode dot encode. Whoops. I want to encode part head. Now we can check if that equals encoded head. True, we got it right. Cool, so we've got a function to encode them, which is good because we want to modify. What do we want? First, we're going to check if it actually does verify the signature. So we're going to change the body. Did we? Yeah. Body. This is a JSON, so we still need to import JSON body. Body equals JSON.loads body. I really should do that in the decode function, but whatever. So body now is a dictionary, so I can do body sub equals administrator. And then we can put the head and the body together. Try sending that. So encode part head. Encode part. Whoops, I have too many. Part body. Oh, I need to switch it back from dict to which do I want to do? Do I want to do that here? Body dot. Let me just do dot. No. JSON dot dumps the body encode part. Okay. This is our new JWT. Oh, I do want this. Where's my screen, buddy? Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on there. Proxy. We want something like this. Send a repeater. Oh no, we want my account. Send a repeater. Repeater. What did I copy? I copied the new head. So this attack will be checking that the signature is verified. So this is the new body. This body has the change so that we will be viewed as administrator. And then to do that, we're going to leave the algorithm in the JWT, but we're going to remove the signature, send that, and see what we get. I said send that. Done. We got 0 response. The crap. Why not? Timeout. No. How do I get it back? Did I really spend that much time? Oh, this is annoying. Ooh. So I cannot go and figure out if I was on the right track or anything. I have to just give up right here. If I go click anything here, it won't show. Ooh, that's annoying. Suck. All right, whatever. X Control D. All right. Well, I think that's it for me today. Things didn't go too bad, actually. We solved a tough SQL injection, figured out a JW. Well, we didn't figure out a JWT one. I mean, we figured out that it had a JWT, but not what the vulnerability was. Yeah. All right. Well, thanks so much for checking it out. I'm probably going to continue this for the next little while. Make sure I'm up to speed and ready to go. Then I'll take the test. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.